Hello, welcome and welcome back to On the Trail with Gyver. Today I'm going to be doing a quick out and back on the NCT. Well, maybe not quick, but short. We'll call it a short out and back on the NCT. I'm going to share the few of my favorite highlights on this section of the trail. And when we get back to the trailhead, I'm going to share with y'all something I'm really excited about, a newer piece of kit that I take along with me on hikes, and yeah, really excited about it. I'm gonna make sure I post all the details in the description for everyone, and I just can't wait to share it with you. But yeah, let's get hiking. We are coming up on our first creek crossing. This is the bridge that we'll be using to cross. And it's actually two logs laid side by side, strapped together with some cargo straps. It's usually not too bad of a crossing, and I'll see everyone on the other side. And here we are at the second creek crossing on this section of the NCT. Single log flattened. Pretty easy crossing. Well, we made it back to the trailhead, safe and sound, which is great. I do want to thank you for coming along with me on this out and back on the NCT. Short little hike. And let's go ahead and get into the quick look at one of my newer pieces of hiking kit. Like I said earlier, I'm really excited to show this to you guys. So keep watching. So what we have here is the Reliance Outfitters stainless steel bottle cooking kit, which includes the Gen 3 Pathfinder stainless steel 32 ounce or 1 quart bottle, along with their cup. Also has the Pathfinder stainless steel bottle stove. Comes with ferrocerium rod, the bottle hanger. Comes with these mini Inferno discs. You get 6 of them in a little tin. Comes with the Pathfinder bottle bag, their Gen 3. Mine is their earth brown color. They also offer this in a coyote tan. And it comes with the Pathfinder utensil set. Altogether, this kit weighs 2.5 pounds, and it retails for $89.99 on the Reliance Outfitters website. And I will be happy to provide a link to that in the description. Just to let you guys know that I am not a paid affiliate. I'm not sponsored by Reliance Outfitters. I'm in no way connected with them. This was just a piece of kit that I thought would be really nice to have. And I am really glad that I purchased it. The bag itself, I'll give you a closer look on this, is huge. All of this fits into it. It's got the large opening here, and it's got a large pocket here on the side. and it does come with a shoulder strap for carrying, but it's also MOLLE compatible. And one of the things that I really like about this kit, I've had other ones similar to it, but they were cheaply made, is that everything nests together. Here's the lid for the cup, and that is a really tight fit. It does have a vent hole in it, and then straining, so if you were cooking any type of noodles, you'd be able to strain the water out of them. But I'm going to put the lid here in the bottom of the bag, and I'm going to take the stove and the cup. I'm going to go ahead and fold out the bat wings here a little bit. Close her up. Put them right down in the bag on top of the lid. And then the bottle goes right in there. And there is lots and lots of room all around this. I carry other stuff within this bag. I've got a bright orange bandana that I tuck inside. Some cordage, headlamp, and then here in the front, is where I'll store the ferrocerium rod, the utensils, the hanger, and the Inferno discs. So that was a very quick, brief look at the Pathfinder cooking set. I haven't had it for too long, but I really do like it. I think it's a very well-made set. And I can do a deeper dive in parts of it. I do have plans of, doing a video for when I get to use it, camping. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do that soon and let you guys see it in action. But again, check out the description, so I have the website, the link posted in there for the Reliance Outfitters. But yeah, check it out. Again, thank you for being with me today, out on the trail with Gyver. And as always, God bless, and hope to see it out there.